In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Chrome history permanently. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to go through each step carefully to ensure all your browsing history is removed. Let's get started with the steps. To begin with, open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser. There, you'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's menu icon, commonly referred to as the More icon. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu that provides access to various Chrome features and settings. Next, move your cursor down to the History section. When you hover over it, a side menu will appear. Click on History again in this menu to open a new tab dedicated to your browsing history. This page lists all the sites you have visited, making it the go-to place for managing browsing data. On this history page, look to the left sidebar. You'll find an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. This will bring up a window where you'll be able to decide exactly what kind of data you want to clear. Now, focus on the Time Range drop-down menu. If you wish to delete all of your browsing history permanently, select All Time. This selection ensures that Google Chrome will purge all historical data saved since you first used the browser. After setting the time range, you'll notice several checkboxes across three categories: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Be sure to check all of these boxes. This action guarantees that alongside your browsing history, any saved cookies, site data, and cached files will also be removed, giving you a clean slate. Once you've confirmed your selections, you can proceed by clicking on the Delete Data button. Bear in mind that this action cannot be undone, so double-check your choices if necessary. Clicking Delete Data will permanently erase the selected data from your browser. Lastly, it's a good practice to restart Google Chrome after completing these steps. Restarting ensures that all files and data are fully cleared from the system, providing you with the freshest start possible. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy by ensuring all your browsing history and related data are thoroughly and permanently deleted from Google Chrome. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos.